Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is a beautiful addition to any garden. It is easy to grow and has a variety of uses. In this video, we will discuss how to properly grow calendula so that it thrives in your garden. First, let's talk about when to plant calendula. In most parts of the world, it is best to plant calendula in the spring when the soil temperature has reached at least 10 degrees Celsius. In colder climates, it may be necessary to wait until late spring or early summer to plant. When it comes to watering, calendula prefers to be kept moist but not waterlogged. Water it thoroughly once a week or more often if the weather is very dry. Make sure to water the area around the roots and not the leaves. Calendula can be grown in a variety of spaces, but it is best to give each plant about 30 centimeters of space to grow. This will ensure that each plant gets enough sunlight and nutrients to thrive. Harvesting calendula can be done when the flowers are in full bloom. This usually occurs in midsummer. Pick the flowers in the morning, when the dew has just dried, for the best flavor and quality. The most common problems with calendula are powdery mildew and aphids. Powdery mildew can be treated by spraying the leaves with a mixture of 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and liquid soap in a liter of water. Aphids can be treated by spraying the plants with a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar. Calendula can be grown in most climates, but it prefers cooler temperatures. It grows best in areas with temperatures between 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. Calendula has many uses, but the most common use is for skincare. Calendula oil is used in many skincare products due to its healing properties. It can also be used to make teas and tinctures that can be applied topically for skin irritation or inflammation. Calendula is edible and has a slightly bitter taste. The petals can be used in salads or as a garnish for soups and stews. They can also be added to teas for their medicinal properties. In conclusion, calendula is a beautiful and versatile plant that is easy to grow in any garden. Make sure to plant it in the spring, keep it well watered, and give each plant enough space to grow. Harvest the flowers in midsummer and watch out for common problems like powdery mildew and aphids. Calendula can be grown in most climates and has a variety of uses, including skincare and culinary purposes.